This is what I mean when I say that the animals are becoming so much more attached to me. This crow literally came, sit with me. She comes every day. She does this throughout the day. She come visit me. And she come closer every time. So today we got here, right? Yes? Okay, well, that was amazing. How do I turn this around? Do it like this. Yeah, but that was amazing. So I got chips on my hands. See here working, eating. Working and eating. And yeah, but I'm loving my connection with nature. It's so intimate, you know, so intimate, and I love it. I wouldn't change it for the world. It's so beautiful. And I love how the animals are becoming much more closer to me, drawn to me. You know, it's so beautiful. So that's all I wanted to say. All right. Peace, love, and light. And until next time.